our chairman, Mr. Mohan Ramanathan of Indian Demolition Association. Today, we are here to brief about the event Demtech Conference and Expo being held at White Petals, Bengaluru on 28th and 29th of September 2023.
This association, IDA, Indian Demolition Association, was formed in 2019. Personally, I'm a civil engineer, educated in the US and in India, IIT Madras, and I was involved in demolition for 40 years, based in Chennai, but worked all over the country and outside India also. By that time, in the last 40 years of my career, where demolition was my passion and also business, a lot of landmark projects were done in Indian soil by Indians, so that we need not have the help of foreign experts for this field. It is a new field. In India, infrastructure is getting old. A lot of bridges, ports, structures are getting old and they are getting dilapidated, and it needs proper and safe way to bring it down.
I'm representing Indian Demolition Association as founder committee member. Our association, called as Indian Demolition Association, was formed in 2019, headed by our chairman, Mr. Mohan Ramanathan. This event is called as Demtech 2023, being held in White Petals on 28th and 29th September. We have conference as well as exhibition. Expo we have outside, 10 countries being participating in the Expo with around 40 stalls. So we have conference as well as Expo. This is about Demtech.
I'm the chairman of Indian Demolition Association, and our association is very young, formed in 2019, and Demtech is our exhibition. We had one in Demtech 2019 in Mumbai, and Demtech 2023 now in Bengaluru. So this association is formed exclusively for the benefit of demolition contractors, demolition equipment manufacturers and the public. So we are responsible for the demolition techniques being brought into India and the recycling methods that we want to implement in India. We want a greener India. We have a mission to recycle whatever we demolish, and we want to be in line with the Government of India Rules 2016. And I'm also a member of the Bureau of Indian Standards, IS committee, where we are forming the new rules for demolition and recycling in India. We want this conference to be a place where people will learn about these two methods. One is demolition and recycling, and we have experts from all over the world in these topics to discuss. Two panel discussions, keynote speakers. We are supported by many organizations. The chief guest is Managing Director of Afcon's Infrastructure. Is one of the largest companies in India, and we expect this conference to be attended by about 750 persons footfall. And we are well supported by our exhibitors and sponsors, and all our sponsors are very cooperative, and we expect that they all go back with good business and good network. Thank you.